Hello, kapwa members ng Philhealth. Ituturo ko ngayon kung paano mag-register ng Philhealth number at inquiry contributions online. Before we start, please click subscribe, like, and share.
I dream I know deep up my feet.
First, click the internet browser. Then, on search bar, just type www.philhealth.gov.ph. Press enter or click search para po pupunta na tayo sa homepage ng Philhealth. So, pagdating ng Philhealth webpage, hanapin nyo lang po yung online services. Then, click. So, makikita nyo po yung My Philhealth portal. Under ng My Philhealth portal, may mga iba't ibang categories. May membership, then benefits. So, dito tayo sa membership. So, under ng membership, meron din member portal, electronic group enrollment system, and others po. Then, click register login. So, ito po yung forma niya. Una, fill upan ng itong member portal para magkaroon ng member portal account creations. So, under ng member portal account creations, may mga basic information. Lahat po na naka-asterisk, kailangan nyo pong fill upan. Like, fill out identification number, last name, then first name, date of birth. So, mga basic information o usual na hinihingi po ng mga government ang hinihingi dito. Then, yung sex and email address. So, kailangan lang po accurate po para hindi magkaroon ng problem or error. Then, the mobile number. So, after that, so may login information. So, ito yung dapat tandaan kasi ito yung ginagamit every time na magla-login kayo. So, for the password, kailangan lang po may 8 characters minimum. Then, the maximum is 32. At least 1 digit, 0229. Then, at least 1 uppercase and 1 lowercase letter. And special characters para maging strong po yung password nyo. Hindi basta-basta po siya mahahack po or magagamit ng iba or mahuhulaan. So, yan po. Yan yung i-enter nyo sa box. Then, after that, there's a captcha number. So, kung ano nakasulat dyan, yun din po yung i-fill up nyo sa baba. Okay. Then, click create account. So, I fill up the required information. Then, sundan nyo na lang guys kung paano. I type my last name, then first name, date of birth. So, i-enter mo lang, then may scroll down mo lang yung month, then the date and the year. Then this female, then my email address. Preferred password. confirm the password. Next, enter in the box show number for the CAPTCHA. After that, click create account. So, portal account creation's done. To activate the account, there's an email like this. So, there's a browser link. Kailangan din siyang i-click para po ma-verify. Then, after that, account successful activated na po siya. Looks like this may appear sa screen po nyo. So, it's meant successful na. Go back login para po makakapasok na kayo mismo sa account nyo mismo. So, click the PIN ID number and the password na you entered or you encoded while ago. Then the number shown above. Then click login afterwards. Their CAPTCHA 822414. Then click the login. So ito na guys, nakapasok na po ako mismo sa account ko as a member ng Philhealth. So ito yung mga pinifill up ko kanina. So yun guys. So ito po yung mga access as member. Makikita nyo. So, try natin member information. So, ito po yun guys. So, makikita nyo lahat ng member data record nyo. Pwede din itong ipiprint. Just click print. Then, the premium contribution. So, makikita din ito ang mga binabayaran nyo. So, makita mong nare-record na ba sa Philhealth or wala. So, kung may discrepancy, pwede nyo pong dalhin yung payment nyo. At the same time, punta kayo ng branch para ireklamo yung discrepancy na hindi na ipopost na ganun. So, importante talaga makikita niyo yung contribution payment summary. So, ito yung sample ko. January to December. So, makikita niyo yan. Yung contribution. Since voluntary, so wala akong employee share. Member share lang po. Ayan. So, let's try in 2019. Kung kompleto ba, i-check lang. To December 2019. Then, kita na yung contribution payment summary. Ayan. So, okay. So, complete naman. Wala naman siyang vacant. So, all posted ng Philhealth system. So, let's try in 2017 kasi may employee ako dito. So, dapat may employer share. So, checked in January 2017, then December 2010. So, January to December. So, look at guys. So, may employer share, then member share, the total contributions. So, ganun po yung makikita nyo guys kung employee kayo. And after that, pwede din kayong magkaroon ng payment management. Generate kayo ng SPAY para yun yung dadalhin nyo every time na magpipay kayo sa mga bayad center or sa Philhealth mismo as especially voluntary. Click the user profile. So sa user profile, you can change password every month or depende sa inyo for privacy purposes. So every time after using, you can log out. So I'm done, guys. Sana may natutunan kayo. Or you can comment below any questions. Thank you. Connect and support to my members. Second family. Dance and I. Judy and Maui. Samski TV.